Hi friends, welcome to the jobexpert.net. In this technology world, students are getting confused which technology they will choose as their career. Our goal is to provide some technical reviews which will help students to choose their career on a particular technology. Now, what is Java? In a simple word, Java is an object-oriented programming language and it was intended to serve as a new way to manage software complexity. Java refers to a number of computer software products and specifications from the Sun Microsystems that together provides a system for developing application software and developing it in a cross-platform environment. Java is used in variety of ways. Computing platforms from the embedded devices and mobile phones on the low end to enterprise servers and supercomputers on the high end. Java is nearly everywhere in the mobile phones, web servers, and enterprise applications, and while less common on desktop computers, Java applets are often used to provide improved functionality while browsing the World Wide Web. Java technology consists of many products. These products are packages of distributed as described below. Java Standard Editions, Java Enterprises Edition, and Java Micro Editions. Java is everywhere, on all platforms and devices, and in all countries around the world. It enables the developers to make programs work just about anywhere, and it inspired the evolution of an incredible technology community. The brilliance of the Java is platform independency, thanks to the internet and community in spirit around it. So many people have been able to make difference and earn a place in a spotlight with their own framework or tools, be recognized for their contributions and really influence the Java world. With the time, the importance and popularity of Java is on the rise as it has the magic, its remarkable abilities to innovate and morph as the technology landscape changes. It is still most now future scope of Java. There is no denial Now, future scope of Java. There is no denial to the fact that Java is the most important things happen to IT industry across the globe after C++. As far as the future of Java is considered, it will be the intertwined with that agile and lean thinking that will allow the Java community to continue the innovations and deliver quality systems that address the business needs. I believe that developers role to play in this story by helping they accelerate the evolution of IT from the isolated system to collaborative development. It is embedded in many of the world's important IT systems, is in a good position to play a part of future and innovations. The best part of our Java is its ecosystem is self-sustaining from the mobility like Android to middleware headhooks. It impact everywhere and will continue to make the big impact in the future too. Well, Java is considered one of the best languages, and if you have the deep knowledge of the job, this language is also popular because it gave the tremendous boost to the object-oriented programming. Many enterprises, IBM, Oracle, JBoss, part of the Red Hat, have accepted Java as a major language for the delivering devices. These companies mainly work in the Java. Using Java, one can develop standalone desktop application using Java SE, web application using Servlet and GCP, applications for handheld devices based on Java ME. Java-based applications are developed for all kinds of domains, banking, insurance, medical, e-commerce, etc. So, I would definitely advise you to learn Java and make the career in this field. Some advantages of Java and more. It is an open source, so users don't have to struggle with the heavy license fees each year. Platform need independent Java APIs can easily be accessed by the developers. Java platform supports garbage collection, so memory management is authentic. Java is always allocates objects on the stacks. Java embraces The concept of the accept or specification. Multi-platform supports language supports for the web services. Using Java, we can develop dynamic web applications. It allows you to create modular programs and reusable codes. Another advantage of Java is that once the program is written in the Java, we can run it anywhere, means that application developed through the Java platform is independent. Java-based enterprises applications performs well because the stable Java standards help developers to create multi-level applications with a component-based approach. Java programming enables secure and high-performance software developed on multiple platforms. Many companies in India have well-qualified software engineers have expertise in Java, JavaScript, J2SE, JCP, and J2ME. Java programming services help your business to do better. They provide variety of Java development services including project solutions. List of some institute for Java training. Invetech Software Training Institute, Java's Fast Track, Philat Training Institute, iAxis Java Training Bangalore, Java Training Institutes in Bangalore, Java Academic, JDOTT Technologies, Larae Technologies, ABC for Java Training and Development Center, Java Training Institute in Bangalore, Java Learning Center, Utta Solution, Info Solution, Iria Institute of Technologies. Thank you for watching this video. If you like our video, please subscribe the jobexpert.net. Thank you.